Kauri could soon find a new home in the deep south.
The native trees are usually found in the upper North Island, but one man is on a mission to grow a forest in Otago. Caley Callahan has the story.
In the hills south of Dunedin, a transformation is slowly taking shape.
At the moment, it looks like a bit of a cardboard forest.
Plant guards protecting 7,500 nursery trees, which will eventually provide a forest home to plant kauri.
Kauri aren't designed for living in a field or a grass paddock. They're designed for living in a forest. So we're trying to mimic or replicate those conditions.
Peter Parsons purchased this block of farmland last year.
It was running sheep at the time, and I didn't want to run sheep because that requires a lot of maintenance. So trees became the next logical option.
Even with the expert advice he's received, it's a tall task. Native kauri normally call the north of the North Island home.
With the right preparation, kauri is feasible at 46 degrees south.
We sowed these in autumn, so they've been here for 4 months.
That preparation starts here with the seedlings at Ribbonwood Nurseries.
Just a wee bit hard to count them all at the moment. There's hopefully around 20,000 there anyway, at least.
They're in the germination phase before they can be planted in Taieri.
When you're putting them in the ground, I would anticipate them being 400 high, 400 to 500 high.
More nursery trees will be planted in May and August next year.
This is a passion project for me now. I'm funding it myself.
Before the first kauri goes into the ground in 2025. Caley Callahan, News Hub.